Tabby Ho! Happy New Year! I'm Kenneth Kattegat, aka the Kitty Cat, and I'm here to introduce you to my new show, The Klog. How was your New Year's Eve? Did you go to a big party? Did you host a big party? I ended up hosting a small party.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year, Virginia!
But we had fun nonetheless. We played games.
How many down are we doing?
None. Because you guys are nice people.
That's not fair.
You had a nice
I
day
have
at the
3.
market. You're two.
I've got one.
So
They're mean. They are mean people. We counted down.
Doesn't have it.
Doesn't have the seconds.
Oh.
Well, I'm gonna have a countdown in a second. It's
Oh, yeah,
also
it
too
does.
late.
It's right on there.
Yeah.
We're at
15
15.
seconds.
Load, damn it.
10,
9,
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year!
Woo!
And it was a good time all around. So yes, it is a new year, 2017. How many of you have already failed your New Year's resolutions? I'm a little behind on mine, but doing good so far. This is the Klog. I'm sure you're quite familiar with vlogs by now, but this is mine. I will go over what I've done throughout the week, what I have coming up, my opinions on certain things that have come out, or such and such, blah, 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 blah. So, a little bit about myself. I was born in Germany, a military brat. Lived in California for the vast majority of my life, southern and northern. I am a huge geek. I love just about every fandom out there. I'm super Who-locked. I love Marvel. I love Marvel Studios. I love DC Comics. Still not quite on board with the movies. I mean, I still go out and see them multiple times. But they still haven't really hooked me yet, you know? Like, I have so much hope for Wonder Woman, but I'm scared. A little. Just a little. I can feel you out there shaming me. I love certain web shows like Critical Role. I'm so excited that's back. What about you guys? What are your big fandoms? Steven Universe? Rick and Morty? Haven't gotten into them yet. I know. Don't yell. I will get there. I promise.
You son of a bitch.
So yes, I will be doing a weekly vlog and weekly streaming to get started. Once that gets rolling, once I have some few followers going and I can prove that I can do this full time, then I have so many big show ideas. I have game shows I want to do. I have my own D&D campaign I want to run. I love gaming. I love entertaining people. And I hope you guys enjoy what I put out. Went to AJ's grandparents' place, and it was like walking into a 1950s Cold War bombshell bunker. Morning, Kats and Kittens. It is Tuesday of the new year, and sleep eludes me. It is 4 a.m. Figured I'd get to work. Hang in there. And get excited! Oh, whoa, hostilities. Yo! Not cool. $15. You cheap bastard.
I'm referring to myself, of course.
Of course, yeah. Oh, okay. I believe my other gun was way better. I should shoot you in the face, mate. Behold the mess of streaming. Everything's kind of in disarray right now. Still figuring out how I want my studio set up for when I stream, but I don't know. What do you guys think? I think it looks pretty cool. Beep. Dinner time. You tell I was getting a little stir crazy and excited to do stupid shit. So Critical Role's taking forever to start. So I'm pacing back and forth anxious. Get excited! Oh, I love this show. Love it, love it.
Oi, you there, boy. Spice?
Yes! Oh my god!
No. No.
Do you spice?
Do you spice?
Yo, you cool? You cool, dog?
This week's spotlight falls on Matthew Colville for inspiring me to improve my D&D campaigns. Check him out. I will put links in the doobly-doo below. He does a great job of breaking down what he does in his campaigns and how he improves them and steals from all these other things. His newest one, 4th edition, and using 4th edition in 5th edition, I think is great. He has so many great ideas for improving combat and overall mechanics and how things worked in his campaign and what his players do. It's very helpful. Keep up the great work. I look forward to your next video. It's time for viewer submitted questions. You guys send in your tweets and comments below, and I'm going to answer them. That's right, I didn't get any. But hopefully that'll change soon. That'll do it for this week's episode, guys. Hopefully you liked it. If you did, please paw at that like and subscribe button. And I will see you in the next video. Tabby Ho! Get excited! P.S. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram at KennyCatAttack, 1T, no C. And submit those questions for next week's video. Cat Scratch Klog. Tabby Ho. Get excited.